was that? I think I hear lurking.
It's Bernard snoring!
Guys,
That's gotta be
something
what it is.
lurking. What? Huh? You've got to wake up. You promised the stories were made up, but something is lurking in the bushes.
It was just a campfire story. It isn't real.
Wait, I heard it too. I knew we shouldn't have told those stories. You see, now the Bigfoot's here to get us. I'm gonna wake up my dad.
There's no such thing as a Bigfoot. I'm sure it is just the wind. I'll prove it to you.
No. This is exactly what happened in the story.
That might not be the wind. Whatever it is, it's right through there.
Hello in there?
Why
This
is
Sheldon
Bernard not
Cooper.
sleeping in his tent?
Who goes there?
Because they think he's just warm enough in the sleeping bag? Oh, yeah, there's the sleeping bag, and there's Bernard's eyes.
Wait a second. Dad?
Oh, hi, boys. I must have been sleepwalking.
I thought you were Bigfoot for sure. What's that thing you're wearing?
That's his fancy sleeping bag, the Starry Sleeper 2000.
Guaranteed the coziest sleep on the market.
Yes, I'm sorry if I startled anyone.
Startled? I was really scared. I don't think Carl has blinked yet. Carl? Was the scare too much for him?
Carl, are you okay?
I wonder if he's as shocked as I am that this whole episode is a love letter to Zachariah's first book.
You hear me?
He's so
That's the first time I've ever heard Carl laugh that much.
That was great. I was so scared, but I'm okay now. Just like riding down the hill at the park. I feel relieved that nothing bad happened. That was a doozy of a scare. I think I finally get why you like scary stories, even though I still like my stories about stars better. Whoa, would you look at that? Look at all those stars.
We looked at the stars earlier. Where did all these come from?
The campfire is out. Huh? Just like when I asked you to turn off your lantern. The glow of the campfire was so bright, it made it harder to see a lot of the stars. No campfire means more stars.
I wonder if I can find Orion.
He isn't in our hemisphere this
That
time
is
of
an
year.
alien on his
We
shirt.
have to wait until the winter.
That's right. How did you know that, Dylan?
Carl taught me.
Carl knows tons of stories about the stars. Tell us one. So, see that group of stars over there? That's Leo, the mighty lion. Whoa!
Yep, there it is again.
Amazing! Incredible!
I think I now have a second favorite part of camping. Star stories.
Are we going to see
Looking at the
Bigfoot
night
now?
sky is like going to the movies.
Forrest, what's wrong? You haven't touched your pizza.
I can't eat. I think I had one too many s'mores.
Oh.
I'm just so glad that the monster in the bushes turned out to be Sheldon's dad and not an actual Bigfoot.
I wonder if the pizza guy is Sheldon's dad too. What the hey? Oh! Oh, maybe not! Is he the real Bigfoot?
Welcomes you to the home of Phoebe and Jay, Topsy Towers. Let's check this place out. Front lobby. Yeah! Courtyard.
Okay, so that little theory was wrong.
Oh, and don't
I
forget
guess in
about
this
the
universe there
neighbors.
really is Bigfoot and he's the pizza guy, which is why they never show his
In
face.
Topsy Towers, there's fun and adventure.
But I wonder if this is the first time we actually saw Bigfoot's face as the pizza guy for real here. Might be.